guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to watch any movie for free. So you go on to YouTube and you go up here and you search the movie that you want. For example, let's go Titanic. Let's watch Titanic. Titanic. Full movie. And you don't stop there. This is the secret essence. You type play list, and now you'll get every single scene of Titanic. Alright, leave Titanic. Let's go watch Kong, Skull Island. Alright, full movie playlist. Look at this. Look at these. Look at this. Look at this. Alright, let's go. Godzilla versus Kong, full movie playlist. Look at this. You get every single movie for free. Like, isn't this impressive? Alright, thank you for your time and goodbye. Peace. See you next time. Sayonara. Peace.